knock knock, trick or treat.
No, we don't do it here.
And how we do it in Thailand?
If you want to know, find out in this video.
Let's go.
Before we get started, I would like to introduce you some Thai vocabulary that relate to Halloween. The first one is Halloween. In Thai is one Halloween. One Halloween. You can notice that it exactly the same with English but with the Thai accent. And the second one is costume. Costume. ชุดแต่งกาย ชุดแต่งกาย Next candy. ลูกกวาด or ลูกอม ลูกกวาด or ลูกอม ลูกกวาด is not normally used in daily life. We normally use ลูกอม Hunter's house. Hunter's house. บ้านผีสิง บ้านผีสิง and the last one devil. Devil. ปีศาจ ปีศาจ Once you know this kind of word, let's get into more a little bit in detail in Thai Halloween.
Let's go.
As most of you know, Thailand is the Buddhism country, but in Buddhism we don't really have a Halloween festival.
Yeah.
Anyway, Thai people are so believe in Thai ghosts, spirits, and some unexpected legend.
Yeah.
And from that, even though we don't have a real celebrate on Halloween, but Thai people do really enjoy the Halloween.
Yes. So first thing first, I will talk about the word ghost in Thai. So the word ghost in Thai we call it pǐ, pǐ, and we normally put the word pǐ before the ghost name. For example, ผีกระหัง or ผีเปรต. And actually we have two types of ghosts in Thai. It will be the good one and the bad one. So Anchisa, can you explain about the good ghost?
Sure. For Thai people, we believe that the good spirit will protect us, reward us, and bless us. For example, spirit house or เจ้าที่ 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 is the spirit house that we believe that in every house in Thailand there will be a spirit house. And if you come to Thailand, you will notice some small little house like a model house in front of our home where they will stay. And if you treat them well, respect them well, they will like protect us from bad situation, from bad spirit, and they will also can reward us. Some of us even won a lottery because of them, right?
Okay.
Can you talk about the bad one?
Of course I can. So the bad ghost is the ghost that die unexpectedly, or the people that were killed and they don't want to die and they just like die. So this kind of ghost will want to get the revenge to everyone, actually almost everyone, or the people that did disrespect them. For example, if you just drunk and accidentally step on the small house that Anchisa talking about, that they the old one that they leave, and sometimes you will get hunted. So today we will talk about some Thai ghosts that you should get to know. It will be the traditional Thai ghost, so be prepared.
I will go with the first one, which is เปรต well known as a hungry ghost, and we believe that they are very trauma after they dead because of the karma. And the karma that we talk about is that we believe it เปรต are the people who hurt or harm through their own family, both mental and physical, and they have an unnatural left hand, very large, and also they have a very small mouth like a needle. So they are hard to eat and hard to walk and hard to live. There also is a giant slender one where they have to go around the big temple to asking for a merit so they can travel to a better place, so they can go and born. So be nice to your family, especially in Asian, because Asian are really believe in the parents thing. Come to the family issues. Go to the next ghost. แม่นาคพระโขนง แม่นาค in Thai it is very short. We call แม่นาค but her full name is แม่นาคพระโขนง She is the most well-known female ghost because when she died, she was pregnant. And we believe that people who die pregnancy are very, very dangerous. And when she was dead, her husband went to an army. And when he back, nobody are allowed to tell the truth. Because if someone does, she will go hunt them down and kill them. Anyway, the secrets are not exist in the world. He finally found out the truth and they find a way to confine her in a pot and then throw into a river. Anyway, it is just a short version of this story. You can watch it to internet because there are a lot of famous movies about แม่นาคพระโขนง and Thai people believe that this is the example of unconditional love.
แค่อยากจะอยู่กับคนที่ฉันรักพวกพี่ไม่ยุ่งอะไรด้วย
อย่างนี้เขาไม่ได้เรียกว่ารักหรอกเขาเรียกว่าเห็นแก่ตัว
มึงอย่าไปยุ่งกับกู
So the next ghost will be ผีกระสือ ผีกระสือ This is kind of female ghost that will know at dirt eating. They have been cursed to be always hungry and active every night. So she will go out every single night to find something to eat. And this kind of ghost known as dirt eating. So what she have eat every night is blood, carrion, faces, and also flesh. And normally in the daytime, she live like a normal people like us. So be careful, maybe one of your friend is กระสือ That's why like Thai people don't go out at night because they be afraid of this kind of ghost. And the next one is also the female ghost known as ผีพลาย ผีพลาย So this kind of ghost live near the water or in the water. So this also another reason that Thai people don't playing in the water at the night time. The reason is this kind of ghost will trick you with the light, or we also know as will or the whip. When you follow the white in that light into the water, they will pull you down and then kill you and then possess you. So if you don't believe, you can't go in the water at night time. You can try. So, Anchisa, what kind of ghost that you scare of the most?
I would say I'm scared of ผีพราย that you just told us because you know in the water in the dark it's I don't know
And
I
also
don't
the cold of the water.
Yeah, it's very scary. I wouldn't swim in the night time even in the pool.
Yeah.
Yeah. What about you?
I would say ผีเปรต I think it must be like really suffer because you can't eat anything because your mouth is like just small like needle. Yeah, so that's the reason.
Yeah. And what about you guys? What are you guys scared of the most? Will you guys still come to Thailand? Well, this was a joke. Please come. We are more than welcome.
Yeah.
Anyway, just to recap of the video, today we learned the vocabularies about the Halloween that related. I will also put it in the description box so you guys can read and repeat it. So for today, I'm very thankful that you guys are watching us. Thank you.
You guys will enjoy this kind of video.
Sure, we are trying hard to make it fun. So
Fun?
Scary, fun, scary. Yeah, whatever.
Okay.
So thank you so much again. Before you leave, please subscribe and follow for more video. And see you again next week. Bye bye.